Hey guys, in this one I'll show you exactly how to enable options trading on Interactive Brokers. I'll be showing you this on the web version in Client Portal. First, log into the Interactive Brokers Client Portal. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the page and click the user menu icon, that's the head and shoulders icon. Click on that, then select Settings from the menu. The settings page will load with account settings on the left side and user settings on the right. Now under account settings on the left, scroll down until you see the trading section. Under that section, click Trading Permissions. This panel shows you all the available asset types and which ones you already have access to. In the list of products, find Options. Next to it, you'll see either a Request button or an Add/Edit button depending on whether you've already got some level of options permission. Click whichever button appears there. A form will pop up asking for your trading experience information. At the top of the form, you'll see the Options Level selector. There are 4 levels to choose from. Level 1 allows covered calls. Level 2 adds long calls and puts, long straddles and strangles, and protective calls and puts. Level 3 adds strategies with limited maximum potential loss like short puts. And Level 4 allows all options strategies. Select the level you want to apply for. Below that, you'll need to fill in the trading experience form. You'll be asked about your trading experience, how many trades you carry out per year, and your knowledge level. Fill in each field as accurately as you can. Your financial profile determines whether you'll be approved. Once you've filled that in, Interactive Brokers will review your eligibility based on what you entered. If you're eligible, you'll see a Continue button. If not, a warning message will appear telling you that you don't meet the requirements. If you get the warning but your financial situation has changed, you can update your profile information and try again. Or you can click Continue anyway if you still want to submit the request. Click the Continue button at the bottom of the form. You'll be taken to a review page where you can check over the trading permissions you've just added. On this review page, you'll see a signature field. Type your full name there as an electronic signature to confirm that you've read and understood everything and that the information you provided is accurate. Once you've signed, submit the request. And that's it. The approval process usually takes a few days, so keep an eye on your email for confirmation. Once you're approved, you can start trading options at the level you were granted. If you want real-time market data for US options, you can also subscribe to the Opera Market Data feed. Just go back to Settings, then Trading Platform, then Market Data Subscriptions. And that's how to enable options trading on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.